Business needs to adapt at high speed, particularly in times of economic volatility and world events like the COVID-19 outbreak. The Portfolio Management Engine in Microsoft Project Online and Server will help you plan, adapt, and make changes quickly to help your business be successful through unpredictable times. Many people don't know that Microsoft Project Online and Server have powerful and easy-to-use portfolio selection capabilities. It's built in, and if you have Microsoft Project Online or a supported version of Microsoft Project Server, you have access to it today. Western Principles can help you get portfolio management deployed fast. Your portfolio selection is easy to set up. First, we set up and prioritize your business strategies. We do this by starting with your business strategy, department goals, and other factors like risk. We use the built-in modeling tools to weigh the various factors. You can even set up several modeling systems for multiple departments and stakeholders. You can do this fast and easily. Then we set up your project and program relationships. Projects that are part of a program, or even just individual projects, will have relationships to one another, such as depending on others to get done, which may also include finish to start relationships, or more specific rules that if you select one, you have to select everything in the program, or only select one of a set. These relationships are easy to configure. Next, you'll create and score each project against the scorecard. Project automatically creates the scorecard for you, and it's easy to score each project using this interface. You'll also set a budget for each project. The budget can flow from the project itself or from a custom field in your estimate. Next up is to create a high-level and resource schedule for each project. This is best if it comes from a project template, and better still if it includes generic resources to represent your needs for project managers, analysts, engineers, developers, project accountants, and others. This can be created in a familiar Project Professional or in Project Web App. Now you can run your analysis for budgets. With Microsoft Project, you can do what-if analysis for what if you had as much budget as you need for all projects. That never happens, of course. Which fall off if you have a limited budget. What if your budget suddenly changes? You can model and save these scenarios for executive discussions. The same goes for your resource analysis. Which projects can you do with your existing resources? What if you had fewer people? What if you could hire or contract more? Again, you can model and save scenarios for executive presentations. You can rapidly create as many what-if scenarios as you need. You might even want to revisit your strategies and priorities based on different potential executive directions in uncertain times. Microsoft Project provides you an out-of-the-box, fast, objective, and easy way to look at your projects and programs and to select the best mix for your company as part of a regular business cycle and in rapid response to turbulent times. In these times, you'll want to get your portfolio management system set up as quickly as possible. Western Principles has the experience to do that with you. Let's get started together. Visit our website, call us at 1-800-578-4155, or email us at info@westernprinciples.com. We look forward to helping you.